proper? Somewhat. Wait, I don't fix this.
Jesus.
Fix it?
Yep.
Ah, good. As good as new, man. Who the hell sits this close? I hit it so hard this thing came out. Ah, good as new, baby. Oh, what? Dude. What? Dude, why does this not move backwards? I'm looking at the levers. Oh. Oh.
It's power seats.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't have kicked it in. Almost empty. And
What the fuck? Bruh, where'd that come from?
big boy. Oh no, wait, leave it. We don't need that yet. Oh, that. Oh wait, we can't destroy anything on this. Oh, I thought you were gonna destroy this or something.
That just disappeared.
What the hell is this? It's a boatmobile. And she's good as new, buddy.
Good as new. Good as new. Like,
No. No, go ahead. Yeah, if you're recording, it's fine.
hard.
Come here. You see this? Look. Insured protection by diamond coat. I don't think it's actually protected. I don't think anything is protected. Okay, hold on. Let's see. This battery held its charge after
Whoa.
like almost a month.
Scary. Is it gonna start again now? You were holding that starter.
Well, I had to hold it because the battery's like, well, the fuel line, no, probably the. Look at me! Don't look at that. Here. That it's because no gas in it, you know. Shut up. Okay. Literally the definition of driving a boat. Shut up! Damn it! It won't shut up.
Seatbelt now.
No. Yeah.
Rear ends. Look.
What the hell? Okay, wait, leave it. I think we should. Oh. What?
That's not. Oh. That makes
Hey, wait, not those, not the doors. Out in this thing, like. Oh.
You just locked yourself inside.
Oh. There you go. I told you to leave these windows.
Wait, what? Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Wait, hold on. Wait, Josh, wait. No, let me get Hold on.
that.
Look at all this rust, boys.
What is rust? What does that mean?
Do an ollie.
That was bad. I gotta sit back there.
Yeah, yeah, you do.
I broke the record there.
Just sit on your
Oh, yo, I'm up here. I'm up here. Time for my signature mark, boys. I don't know if I want to do it right here in the pool, but
Don't get it in the passenger window, please.
What's up? How you doing?
no way it still opens. It just sounds like it's laughing, dude. What's even in here? Oh, damn.
No, like, how the fuck does it go?
Let's see what's in here. Let's see. As soon as we're driving down the highway like this, we're definitely gonna get pulled over.
Yep.
Yeah, we're not. Nobody's sitting back there ever. Almost looks good enough for a new window.
I think so too.
Right on in. No way. What the hell?
Sets airbag off.
Boom.
Oh my god. Fuck.
Careful, that airbag might go off on you. Battery's in.
Yeah, I know, I'm scared about that.
Go.
Damn. Came out very easy.
Works. Boom.
Oh, compressed
Oh,
stuff.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, the mount there, buddy. Yeah?
Oh my god.
Oh. Just struggles, buddy. Oh, I can probably. Oh, yeah, boys, I can so sell this thing for $1 million almost. Just about. Honda Civic owners, man. Don't come after me just because I stole some old lady's car. I beat it up, you know. Ladies, looking for your car. Dude, don't you just love that natural air breeze, especially back there? It's like no wind resistance whatsoever, man. Like, look at this. Look at this. No, it's showing nothing. I don't see any R. Wait, dude. I just realized this thing has no RPMs.
Bro, we got factory launch control.
No,
Okay.
it won't even go.
Maybe not.
Jeff. Go on the roof.
Has anyone been on the roof?
Yeah, even Josh tried doing an ollie on it.
Oh, I want to try to
thing is
hop into the
solid.
grill. Yeah, that's like the one part of the car that actually feels
Go
solid.
try to kick the back fender. Feel how solid that is. Like, inside the gas can.
Where, just kick?
No.
Here.
Like, right, yeah.
Oh.
Like, notice how solid that fucking thing is?
Dude, like, look how shot the suspension is.
Look how short the trunk is. Trunk slowly.
Yeah, glass from all that is just
To get up the
crevising in there.
It's so weird how it goes. Not usable. Yeah, what's the next thing?
Well, after we're done, she's going to the scrapyard, boys.
Putting my hands on. I don't think it's gonna snap really. If I actually have something. So afraid of cutting my hands on.
Wait, what was that? Why are you kicking it like that? Oh.
I just want the bumper to fucking.
Why are you kicking it like that? Oh.
I just want the bumper to fucking come off. I mean, the fucking fender to come off. It's close, honestly. You wanna go?
Thick these pieces are that are on that car.
That wasn't me.
Like, what? Why are they so thick? Is that like, was that meant to patch up rust for him in here or something? Trying to take care of it? Yeah, not no more, buddy. You can see, well, it's normal Alberto rust here, but like, why is so much Bondo here?
Oh my. Lift it.
Yeah, I know.
Perfect. Show me work.
Okay, that's good. That was a glory hole. Wait, give me.
What are you doing?
Not that.
Not the hood?
Yeah. Well, look, it still works, eh?
Wow.
Even though it's all, well, it's not too badly. Yeah, not too badly, I say, eh? Flat? Oh, yeah, it's flat. Well, we got a spare tire, though. That's flat. I don't know what I'm going to do with the spare tire. Oh, yeah, boys.
I like how we grabbed that chain,
Safety first, eh?
put it in the Civic, and we didn't even take the chain.
No, we didn't even take the Civic or anything.
Why does that shut so fucking loose? That's scary.
You need to stop.